From Orange Beach, Alabama, where right now we are keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Bertha and the impact it could bring to the Gulf Coast. You see all of the water there on the lens. Chris has been tracking this for us yesterday when it was changed into a tropical storm. So what are you seeing right now?
The main impacts are going to be along the Gulf Coast region. They're experiencing it there now, but we're going to see some indirect impacts coming here because of the flow around the storm is going to pick up some Gulf moisture and bringing it our way. I was just checking out some of the beach cams down there in some of the beach locations, and they all have double red flags, meaning that the water is closed, don't get in it, and they've got the tropical storm warnings in effect for a big area too. So we're going to break all this down for you. First though, let me show you what we're watching here. Now you see some rain coming in and a few spotty showers from Atlanta down to the south. These are the actual indirect impacts from this storm. And when I put this into motion, you'll notice here that those showers on the south side are not moving away, they're actually moving northward. And that's because of that flow that is rotating around the center of circulation of Bertha that's picking up that southerly moisture, that Gulf moisture, and it's bringing it our way in the form of just a few scattered showers. Now the trend has been that these showers will weaken as they continue moving to the north. We have some here on the south side there, south of I-20 in Fulton County, also along I-20 in South DeKalb, a couple of spotty showers in Rockdale County. They get a little bit heavier as you get closer to those areas of Newton County and Jasper County, and that's moving into Morgan County there. Another heavier one in Butts County. A few other ones over here in Heard County and Troup County moving northward. Those will continue to weaken moving northward. Also in central Georgia and South Georgia, a few showers. This is the center of circulation with Bertha that still has winds of about 60 miles an hour. Here's the latest track of the storm. You can see the blue line there, which shows the tropical storm warnings for a big part of the Florida Panhandle, the Alabama, Mississippi coast, and now much of the Louisiana coast under that tropical storm warning. We're expecting a landfall tomorrow afternoon in Louisiana, and then maybe maintaining weak tropical storm status as it goes back out over water and then falls apart, pushing into Texas. Here is a look at the wind fields with this. As I was looking at some of the beach cams down in the Florida Panhandle, here's the interesting part. The winds, tropical storm force winds extend about 115 miles out from the center of the storm, and the center of the storm is about 100 miles out into the Gulf. So some of those tropical storm force winds are moving in along the Panhandle. They'll be moving in overnight for the Alabama coast, the Mississippi coast, and then into Louisiana here during the day tomorrow before they start falling apart as the storm weakens somewhat. So here's the track. You can see the storm to the south, but then look up into our area. See that flow around it, picking up that Gulf moisture, kind of reinforcing some of the moisture moving into our area. Just those spotty showers out there tonight. As the storm continues moving over toward Louisiana, it's moving away and it's keeping the direct impacts to the south of us, but that flow continues bringing that moisture in, while at the same time we have a front coming in from the north. That's going to increase our rain chances for Wednesday as well as on Thursday, with a better coverage of rain here in our area. And we can see some pretty good rainfall amounts too over the next few days. 40% chance for showers tomorrow. I still think we get up to 90 degrees. Back to the 80s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, with a 50% chance for showers those days. Down to 30% Sunday, and then lower rain chances Monday and Tuesday, warming back up into the 90s to start next week.